Welcome to BV 101, where we teach you how to avoid and get rid of bacterial vaginosis. You might have BV if you're experiencing symptoms like itching or burning during urination, smelling fishy or foul down there, finding thin, gray, green, or white discharge. BV is a medical condition caused by an imbalance of good and harmful bacteria, which makes your vaginal pH less acidic than normal. So what can trigger it? Recent antibiotic use, IUDs for birth control, vaginal douching, having multiple or new sex partners, cigarette smoking, heavy periods, hormonal changes such as puberty, pregnancy, or menopause, and even something as simple as taking a bubble bath. You can prevent BV by avoiding some of those things and taking probiotics regularly. You can soothe BV with boric acid vaginal suppositories. And you can cure BV with antibiotics. You can affordably find all these solutions at hellowisp.com.